Okay, welcome to my unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance 1300 analog gaming headset. It's for intensive gaming with audiophile quality. So, when I say analog gaming headset, it means it's not a USB headset. It uses two 3.5mm jacks. So let's get this thing opened up. And here you've got a bit of cardboard. Pull that out. Got some information right here. Stop! Yeah. Warranty guide. And here's the actual headphones itself. These things are massive, and you have a nice swivelly microphone. Very nice soft cushions for the head, and also the ear cups are really soft. Here are my current headphones, Urban Ears. They're very nice. As you can compare, these are absolutely massive. So the wire on this is braided, and it's also got some controls, so you can switch on the microphone and also change the volume. As I said, this is an analog headset, so you get two 3.5mm jacks, one for the microphone and one for the headphones itself. So, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance 1300 analog headset. Please subscribe and like this video.